Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Playboi Carti Drum Kit 2021. You know, man, we always got you as far as crazy and amazing sounds is concerned. I feel like I said that way too many times, but you know, man, it's true, man. We only do crazy stuff here in Believers Records.
Okay.
So yeah, so there's so many sounds in here. There's 808s, there's claps, there's hi-hats, there's kicks, there's midis, there's rims and percussion and snares. You know, everything that you need to make that Playboi Carti type beat. You know, just make it hot. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like what I'm serving you on that plate, just go ahead and hit that like button as well. So I'm going to start off first with the midis. So for demonstration purposes, I'll be using Contact Maybach Kings. So yeah. And guys, I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you need any of that, just hit me up on my number and we can talk business. Alright. So yeah, let's get started without wasting any more time. So let's just jump into it. So the midis, I've already written down the BPMs on the side, so you don't have to move around with that. So let me just the first MIDI is 140 BPM. So let me just change here. Alright, cool. So let's just load it up. Alright, easy. Let's hear it. Second MIDI. Third MIDI. Yeah, that's it. So I'm using bells here. You don't really have to use what I'm using. It's up to it's up to you and what you actually desire. So for me, here's the bells. So yeah, let's move forward to the drums. So I'm gonna start it first with the claps, then I'll go back to the 808s, in that order. So let's. All right. Kicks. Alright, rims and percussion. So that's it. That's it, man. That's it, man. That's it for the sauce. So yeah, that's it, man. Oh, I would like to say something. When I was making this, I don't know what happened. So if you actually get in this, let me just show you. So if you load up, let's say a snare, you try to play it, and you just hear that, just come back here and reset it. I don't know how this happened. But if you having this kind of problem, just come back here and reset it, and just reset the key to the original key, C5, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's it. So that's it, man. Enjoy the drum kit, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Namaste. Stay safe. Goodbye.